Hey guys, how you doing? Just reporting on update on Hurricane Dorian. Looks like it's pulling away toward the U.S. and heading toward Canada. They're saying Maine and Canada, so it's Nova Scotia toward Canada on that. But the thing is that when it goes into the open waters, that's where it starts building up again. So Canada is heading towards this. This is Dorian started pulling away from the west coast and heading toward Canada. And it says on the forecast track, as it hits toward Canada, it's going to hit toward New England. And the hurricane is still about 200 miles from Neck Island. So it's still hitting toward that as it's near Massachusetts and Maine as it closes toward East Canada. So it's still going and it's still brewing as it speaks. So we'll see what happens with the impacts and more further news on that. So it's not dissolving, it's still going, moving up. It says it's about 700 miles of trip up the U.S. coast. That's pretty far, so pretty crazy on this one. This is definitely huge, and so Canada's watching it in Maine. So just keeping it posted, letting you know what's going on, and I hope you're all safe, and we'll report to you.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.